Howdy folks! Guess what? It's next Sunday. It's time to see what kind of joy we have wrought from our homegrown rocks and our Gimme Shiny and Tumbling Gneiss tumblers. So I prepped this one already. I'll show you how to get the next one open. It's kind of an interesting process, but let's see what we got in the barrels. Oh, there goes one. Alright. Okay, there's the interior. Ah, smells nice. Oh, I should have had some water ready for this. Hold on. Oopsie, first day on the job, don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I am very curious to see what we've got here with our homegrown, homemade rocks, so to speak. So far, I am not disappointed. Holy smokes, look at these. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, look at, oh shoot. Oh boy, I hope those stripes are showing up. Wow. Huh. I don't even know what the heck that is, but it's awful cool. There's that one little pudding stone. Boy, it's sure smoothed up nice. Oh, got one, it's got a bad end down there. But, wow. Well, that's just cool. Look at the stripe down. Well, it's all kinds of stripes in it, but man, neat stuff. Oh, check that one out. Ha! That's unusual. That one's really pretty too. Alright, let me finish getting these rinsed off and I'll be right back with you. Before I pop Gimme Shiny open, I wanted to show you Gimme Gneiss, or Tumbling Gneiss, I'm sorry. Show you the interior a little bit. I don't really see, you know, they're not dry yet, so it's a little hard to say, but, and I have to take these in the house and wash them. This is not ideal. You know, the PTFE for stopping the leak is kind of a pain to clean. You know, a fair amount of paper towel, wipe off most of it, and then it seems like hot soapy water takes care of the rest. But this is, you know, again, this was something I did because I really wanted to get some rocks going, but and to see if it'd work. But yeah, I'm not seeing any appreciable wear in the inside of the barrel. So I did note, however, and this is kind of funny, that was definitely longer when I installed it. So it got, I'd say, given the thickness, it's it doesn't stick out as much as it used to. Let's put it that way. I think it was probably about out to here. Yeah, probably about half again as long with the threads anyway. Alright folks, I wanted to show this in the interest of full disclosure on how to pop one of these puppies open, because it's a bit redneck, but it does work. If I continue with this system and these serve me well, I will make a lot nicer way to pop these open. It'll be some kind of a screw thread spreader thing, hold the bottom and just lift up gently, but we're not sure it's going to work. And that kind of contraption can take a few minutes to make, so anyway, for now, simple is better. And voila! Just like that. Simple as can be. Alright, now the moment and hopefully a few of you have been waiting for. Once again, an interior shot. Wow, nice. Wow, look at that. It's subtle, but it is stripy, and I don't know, I think that makes it better in a way. It's not so flashy or gaudy. Boy, I don't know what the heck that is, but it sure, I kind of thought this part of it would wear away more. It doesn't appear to have too badly. Alright folks, these are the rocks from Tumbling Gneiss. When we started out, if I remember right, and I can't find where I wrote it down, but I'm pretty sure I'm right, it was 6 pounds 14 ounces. We now have 6 pounds 2.7 ounces for a loss of 11.3 ounces. I don't know if that's good or bad. I'd say they all got well rounded. I know there's a couple of them, like this one's got a pit right here, and then there's a couple of spots here. I'm going to have to clean that out really good, but honestly the best side of this rock is here anyway, so I think I'm going to let that pass. This one's got a pit, but I don't know, I probably should reject it. But I think if I clean it out good enough, hopefully I won't carry over any grit. And I mean, honestly, trying to get rid of all that stuff, there wouldn't be any rock left much. Sometimes rocks have imperfections, and that makes what's prettier, I guess. If that makes any sense. Not all of these are very, they're not spectacular, but I wouldn't say any of them are ugly. And I mean, the color on this one isn't great, but then it's got a lot of neat lines and features, so to speak. So this one really, I don't know if by the time it's all through the phases these stripes will appear better. I certainly hope they do, because in person they're really beautiful. And this has got a bit of a dip down here, but honestly, again, you'd probably set that rock like that. So, hey, handy stand. This one's really cool looking. I think it's just some, I don't know what maybe smoky quartz, or I don't know. Anybody who has any idea on any of these, let me know. This one's kind of interesting. It looks more like a conglomerate than an actual pudding stone. But it's got a little piece of flint and then the quartz in there. Okay, so I'm an idiot. Sorry about the noise. I realized as I was rambling on about how pretty the rocks are, I could hear the other tumbler in the background. I forgot to shut it off, so apologies to you for that. But yeah, now this, anybody has any idea what that is, please let me know in the comments. It's just, I don't know. That almost looks like a moss agate kind of effect. I mean, I don't think this is an agate by any stretch, but that kind of algae, it almost looks like algae or plant matter trapped in the matrix. This one's real pretty with the stripes. Like I said, by the time they're all shined up, hopefully those stripes will start popping real good. I don't know if this is chert or there's another piece, this thing. Just very odd looking conglomeration of different colors and patterns and whatnot. And like I said, I don't know exactly what a lot of these are, but I know they're pretty awesome. So let me get tumbling, or let me get the other one out. Gimme Shiny, and I'll show you those. Alright folks, now here we have Gimme Shiny's rocks all laid out nicely. When we started, again, 6 pounds 14 ounces. We now have 6 pounds 2.3 ounces for a loss of 11.7 ounces. Tumbling Gneiss lost 11.3 ounces. This one lost 11.7 ounces, which seems, I don't know if that's remarkable or not. It just seems, you'd expect maybe a little more variant, but then again, I guess other than one of these rocks, which I think I showed it in a segment already, but I believe, no, this might be it. I think this is the one that in the original video I showed one end or the other I thought was going to wear away more. But everything else, like I said, I expected it to wear pretty evenly. I mean, I guess I'm not surprised. I don't know. This is all new to me, so I just thought that was interesting. They were so close. This thing's really neat. Like I said, it's very subtle. If anybody has any idea what that is, please let me know in the comments. The only slight bad spot still in it is this little bit of a crack and a fissure, I guess you'd call it. But again, I think I'm gonna kiss this one and bless it and send it on its way to the next step. The pudding stones are looking really nice in my eyes, because I like pudding stones. This little puppy really looks like it's coming out good. The jasper's even got a bit of a stripe pattern to it, so I am not displeased. Not displeased at all. Let me know what you guys think, if this is on track for, I'm getting good results or not. They said most of these were already kind of rounded anyway, but they're definitely more so now. This thing is just neat. I don't know what that pattern reminds me of, but it reminds me of something. Just really busy, and this rock's got a lot going on. That's what I say a lot of times when I'll pick one up. I said, that rock's got a lot going on for it. So, they don't all have to be super shiny or super bright and gaudy, but gotta have a little bit of something for it, Even a piece of white quartz like this, I kind of prefer the ones that have a little bit of an inclusion in them. Not that I don't dislike the plain, solid white ones either, but anyway. So it gives you a good look at them. This one, if anybody has any idea what that is, I'm guessing that's quartz, but what the matrix is, I guess. I'm guessing something with quartz inclusion. Sure is cool looking though. Well folks, I don't know if this is going to be the last segment in this video with the first stage of the 12-pound barrel and their results, or this is going to be a continuation segment. So of course if it's continuation, I probably won't show this part anyway, but let me know what you guys thought. Again, I'm no expert. Yeah, there's probably a couple of them I should maybe reject because of some holes and stuff, but not everything's perfect. I've got holes in me, I'm just saying. So I'd like to think I look okay polished up, but that's based on, my wife's opinion anyway. So yeah, if you've got any idea on some of those rocks I asked questions about, I'd sure appreciate it. And just like I said, overall what you thought as far as the condition of them, had they successfully passed a stage 1 tumble or not. And I've got, you know, like I said, the usual cleanup, and running late again as usual because, you know, stuff happens. But like I said, I think I might call this good and release it as is, and then I'll just do the fill and the start of the second leg of the journey in the next video. But anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying this as much as I've enjoyed doing it. Like I said, this has been something I wanted to do for a long time, and shortages be darned, I wasn't going to be put off again. So, and I'm really pleased. Not that I dislike the super neat, colorful rocks that I bought offline, but these are a little more special to me because I gathered these, or my wife found them here ourselves. You know, we gathered them ourselves, and like I said, most of these, I think, if not all of them, came right off the property here. You know, I've gathered rocks for years, but I've got them separate in spots. So I believe everything here was native to the property. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed it again as much as I've enjoyed doing it. And stay tuned for part 3 coming up. We'll see what we get on stage 2. Thank you for watching.